Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the construction that's going on in the New Kingston area. Now we are in the residential part of New Kingston. The other side of Trafalgar Road has more commercial buildings. So we are on the residential side. This is the Cambridge. There's a picture where the buildings are finished. It's 2 stories. They're either 9 or 10 floors high. 2 buildings, that are 9 or 10 stories high or floors. And this is 172 units in the entire complex. They are very close to completion. Some very nice buildings. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. We give you update videos on all the major construction projects in Jamaica every 2 weeks, and all the other projects we give you updates every month. Okay, on the left now is a Hampshire. That's 66 units, and those are finished. And then on the left, the burgundy looking building, that's the Argyle. Those are also finished. Now the Hampshire, the same company that built the Cambridge built the Hampshire. The Hampshire was 66 units, and they sold off within hours of going on the market. And then the company decided to do the Cambridge, and it was an even bigger development at 172 units. Now straight ahead on the right is another residential building. Those units are still under construction, but they're close to being finished. Now straight ahead where you see this blue fence is a new residential building that's starting. They are actually just clearing the land now, and we'll keep you guys updated as to what's going on. I'm not sure if it's a high-rise building. They don't have anything up. And if anybody knows what the plans are for this location here, let us know so you can see them clearing the space. Let us know, and we'll include the information in an upcoming video. Okay, on the left now, that is another residential building going up. Six or seven floors? 6. And it's going to be apartments, residential units. Okay, now behind it is the Via at the Braemar. Which is 99 units, and those are finished. They're fully, the building is sold out, the units, that's it there. Very nice building, very artistic. We have videos up of going into each of these buildings in more detail, so you can check out the channel. And remember, we have 2 channels, Driving in Jamaica and Jamaica in 5. So you can check out both of them. We have videos up on, individual videos up on each of these projects, where we go into more detail in each project. Now, New Kingston is like the Wall Street of Jamaica. It's the business capital or the business hub of Jamaica. So the real estate in this area is very expensive. These are some, okay, that's the Argyle on the left from another side. As we said at the beginning of the video, this side on New Kingston is mostly residential units. Okay, this is a nice view of the Cambridge, and that's the Hampshire. You notice it's the same color scheme. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Enjoy the rest of the video, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.